Welcome back to the channel. Today's video where we're exploring Mayo, an open source 3D CAD viewer and converter. If you work in design, manufacturing, or 3D printing, this tool can be a game changer for you. Mayo is built using Qt and Open Cascade technology, providing a lightweight and efficient solution for viewing and converting 3D files. First, let's talk about the formats Mayo supports. It can import and export STEP, IGs, STL, and even formats like OBJ, GLTF, and PLY. This makes it a versatile choice for anyone handling a variety of 3D models. A standout feature of Mayo is its ability to explode assemblies. This helps you visually break apart complex designs, making it easier to understand and modify specific components. Combined with clip planes, which allow you to slice through models for better inspection, it's perfect for analyzing intricate details. Mayo also includes robust measurement tools, enabling you to measure lengths, angles, surface areas, and even the bounding box of parts. These tools are essential for those working in precision-driven fields like engineering or product design. Another great feature is Mayo's cross-platform compatibility. Whether you're on Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, you can take advantage of its full capabilities. Finally, let's not forget about Mayo's command line interface. You can use it to convert files without even opening the graphical user interface, which is a massive time saver for batch operations or automating tasks. In summary, if you're looking for an efficient, cross-platform solution for viewing and converting 3D CAD files, Mayo is definitely worth checking out. It's open source, highly customizable, and packed with features for both casual users and professionals alike. Thanks for watching.